Hello and welcome to the PMI Profit and Loss Planning video tutorial series. It's a compilation of tutorials covering everything from the purpose and benefits to inserting a constant. In this video, we will focus on the staff module. Forecasting of salaries starts in Revenue and Productivity module. All hours that are calculated for salary cost is collected from RMP. Hours that are the base in the calculation for the different departments in planning must be the same as hours from the different schedules in the cockpits. Be sure the schedules are updated and sent to forecast for the period you are working and focusing on. When this procedure is completed for the different departments, the budget or target and forecast module will be updated in the forecast columns. Now you can go into the profit and loss module from the side menu and choose the department you want to focus and work with. Choose staff module and choose the period you want to view from the calendar. You can choose what to display on the main page. Displayed data can be anything from choosing target or budget, forecast, or the actual work in progress forecast. You can also choose which version you want to concentrate on with a number of choices below. To add team members, go into the Tools function and select Add Staff. Make sure all the names are added in the RMP Schedule module if you want to keep the salaries on an individual level. More on adding staff can be found in the knowledge base article and video tutorial. For properties working with a timekeeping system, TKS, and want to add total sums, add unspecified as a new staff member and put it in the totals. In our example here, we've actually chosen a team member. Then choose the salary category and save and update. Here you can compare what is in the RMP so that it all adds up to what is in the specific contracts. After registering all team members with salary categories, all hours and rates are summed up in a total figure in accounts. To make the summary visible, add the staff module to the source definition for the labor cost account. You can also review from account summary module. More information on the planning module can be found in our knowledge base article and video tutorial series. Thank you and take care.